Hi, my name is Gilles Franzen. I'm the founder of Digital Ventures. I have over 15 years experience in HR, ranging from HR transformation, HR shared service centers, to implementing a lot of HR software solutions. Out of implementing HR software solutions came the frustration on how do we deal with change management, how do we deal with training, how do we deal with user adoption. So that is why I founded Digital Ventures. At Digital Ventures, we are specialized in change management. Change management in the larger sense that we help you developing a change management, training and communication strategy. Besides that, we're also focused on user adoption, and we are the #1 WalkMe implementation partner. WalkMe is the #1 digital adoption platform. So we provide services in developing a digital adoption strategy, implementing WalkMe, and continuing supporting you post-go live so we can ensure you have a continuous adoption approach.